Okay, so it's drippy time again. I've ordered them in hot and cold. The difference between them is that the way they turn on and off. So you've got to put the right one in the right thing, otherwise you've got the lever going the opposite way. To start with, we need to shut off the water supply, which is underneath. You've got a little stopcock valve to turn off. So you might need a flathead screwdriver for that and a torch. Tip of the day is to clear the area and also clear the cupboard underneath of anything in case you get any problems. Small screwdriver to get the cap off. These teeth, as you might remember last time, were quite brittle and they all fell apart, so be careful with that. Small Phillips screwdriver, taking the cap off. Last time a 17mm fitted the top of this, which it still does. And I've got my 4-foot persuasion bar again because I know I'm going to get trouble with this. Sorry about that, headphone users. Yeah, I think you might. Yeah, you kind of need that bar really. I did shut it off, didn't I? Yes. Always best to double check. Okay. Everything looks alright in there. Right, red one. Open. Looks pretty much the same. It's got a bigger rubber bit sticking out. Don't know if you can see that really, but anyway, straight in with it. So I got these from Tap Magician on eBay. They're for Bristan taps, and the 17mm doesn't fit the new ones. It's 14mm for these. You don't need the extension bar to put it on. Okay, take the cap screw off. First of all, put the plug in. So you don't want to be taking the rest of the plumbing out to get a screw back. Back on. There's a lot of play in it. Hold on 1 minute. A few months ago I've opened up that one and I've put some PTFE tape around the splined head, so I'm going to do the same with this one. PTFE is a sort of stretchy sealing tape that plumbers use. You should be able to get it from Screwfix or something like that. So I'm just going to wrap a piece around the splined head. When you come to the end, just stretch it a bit more. It should sort of stick to itself, and then hopefully that will take up the extra slack. Push it down on. New screw. I'm guessing I haven't. There are so many different variations of this. I've probably not got the exact one, but right, that feels alright, and there's no play in it now. So yeah, if you can get yourself a roll of PTFE tape, it's very handy for lots of things. Put the cap back on, line the logo up straight. I'll do. Okay, that's on, and now we can open the floodgates again. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, that's it. Job's a good one. So tools I used. I think I only used one of those. Medium-sized Phillips screwdriver, 2 flatheads, a torch, some PTFE tape, 14mm, 17mm spanner, a Stanley knife to open the bag. The replacement cartridge was Tap Magician R451GWS, and it came as a pack of 2. Tapmagician.co.uk. I got mine on eBay. The size is BSP 1/2 inch by 24 by 51. I can't remember what those settings mean. I can't remember what they mean, but this is what I measured from the one I took out. So that's kind of what I needed, and that's the model that I found that fitted, although there are some things that aren't quite perfect, which is the splines on the top. The handle was a bit wobbly, so I had to use the PTFE tape to fill it up, but apart from that I think everything was fine. And the nut there was a 17mm on the old one and a 14mm on the new one. So there you go, that's the second video doing the same job. Right, bye.